Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game.
Introducing the Bug-Eye Mini, the ultimate fusion of style and functionality in the world of navigation. Say goodbye to mundane GPS devices and embrace the elegance of traditional navigation with a modern twist. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a city explorer, the Bug-Eye Mini is your perfect companion. Its compact size and stylish design make it a statement piece that complements your every journey. With its precision engineering and reliable functionality, the Bug-Eye Mini ensures that you never lose your way. Navigate with confidence and flair, knowing that you have a reliable companion by your side. But what sets the Bug-Eye Mini apart from other compasses is its attention to detail. The sleek and minimalist design is a testament to its commitment to both functionality and fashion. It is a statement piece that will elevate your style while also serving its purpose. Introducing the Crans RB6, a revolutionary product designed to enhance the security of your two-wheelers. This innovative device, available on Kickstarter, offers advanced features to protect your valuable possessions. With its cutting-edge technology, the Crans RB6 provides a robust security system that ensures the safety of your two-wheelers at all times. This compact and easy-to-install device offers a range of security features, including GPS tracking, motion detection, and remote access control. The GPS tracking feature allows you to monitor the real-time location of your two-wheelers, providing peace of mind and enabling quick recovery in case of theft. The motion detection feature alerts you instantly if any unauthorized movement is detected, allowing you to take immediate action. Additionally, the remote access control feature enables you to lock and unlock your two-wheelers remotely, providing an extra layer of security. The Sururu Pillow P17 is a customized pillow designed to provide ultimate comfort and support. Perfect for those who value a good night's sleep. The Sururu Pillow P17 is not just any ordinary pillow. It is a game-changer in the world of sleep accessories. With its customizable features, including adjustable firmness levels and height options, this pillow is truly a one-of-a-kind product that caters to the unique needs of each user. The Sururu Pillow P17 is the result of years of research and development aimed at creating the perfect pillow for every type of sleeper. Whether you prefer a soft and plush feel or a firmer support, this pillow has got you covered. Its ergonomic design ensures proper alignment of the spine, reducing neck and back pain, and promoting overall well-being. Invest in your sleep quality today with the Sururu Pillow P17. Thermonex is a revolutionary product that aims to provide individuals with the perfect solution to maintaining their ideal body temperature in any weather condition. Whether you find yourself shivering during chilly evenings or sweating profusely on hot days, Thermonex is here to offer you the ultimate comfort and convenience. Our innovative design ensures that Thermonex can be used in a variety of ways, making it a versatile accessory for all seasons. It can be worn as a scarf, a headband, a face mask, or even a wristband, allowing you to adapt to changing weather conditions effortlessly. No matter where you are or what you're doing, Thermonex has got you covered. We understand the importance of using high-quality materials to ensure the durability and effectiveness of our product. That's why Thermonex is made from premium fabrics that are not only soft and comfortable against your skin, but also provide excellent insulation and breathability. Introducing AIR.0, the innovative foldable Bluetooth origami computer mouse. This cutting-edge mouse combines portability and functionality, making it the perfect accessory for on-the-go professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. With its unique origami design, the AIR.0 is not only stylish but also ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip for extended use. The AIR.0 features wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless pairing with a variety of devices. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack and carry, making it ideal for travel or working in different locations. The Musi is equipped with a high-precision sensor for smooth and accurate tracking, ensuring a responsive and efficient user experience. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a digital nomad, or simply looking for a compact and reliable mouse, the AR Duo is the perfect choice. Introducing Zen-IE Lite, the revolutionary sleep device designed to provide a tranquil and peaceful slumber, offers a unique solution to soothe the brain and promote a restful sleep experience. Zen-IE Lite utilizes advanced technology to create a silent environment conducive to relaxation. By emitting gentle vibrations and calming sounds, it helps to calm the mind and lull you into a deep sleep. This compact and portable device is perfect for those who struggle with insomnia, stress, or simply want to enhance their sleep quality. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, Zen-IE Lite seamlessly integrates into your bedtime routine. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to rejuvenating sleep with Zen-IE Lite. Introducing the Masseuger, the world's first massage gun with customizable amplitude. This innovative device is designed to provide targeted relief and relaxation to your muscles. With its adjustable amplitude settings, you can personalize your massage experience to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for a gentle massage or a deep tissue treatment, the Masseuger has got you covered. The Masseuger is not just your average massage gun, it's a game changer in the world of muscle recovery and relaxation. With its customizable amplitude settings, you can tailor your massage to target specific areas of tension and soreness, providing you with a personalized and effective treatment every time. Whether you're an athlete looking to recover faster or someone who simply wants to unwind after a long day, the Masseuger is the perfect solution for all your massage needs. Introducing Focus, the ultimate productivity phone case designed to enhance your efficiency and streamline your daily tasks. This innovative Kickstarter project combines sleek design with practical functionality, offering a range of features to optimize your smartphone experience. With Focus, you can effortlessly organize your essentials, thanks to its built-in card holder and convenient storage compartments. Say goodbye to bulky wallets and keep your cards, cash, and even small items securely in one place. But that's not all. Focus also doubles as a stand, allowing you to prop up your phone at the perfect angle for hands-free viewing or video calls. Its durable construction ensures stability and reliability, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Designed with precision, Focus provides easy access to all ports and buttons, ensuring seamless functionality without compromising on style. Its sleek and slim profile adds minimal bulk to your phone, while the premium materials offer protection against everyday wear and tear.